students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson.
Subject is Maths of Standard 3rd and name of the lesson is Fractions. Yes, dear children, today we are going to learn about the fractions. What is the meaning of the fractions? Yes, when anything or any material, a whole thing is divided into pieces or divided into parts, then that each part is called as the fraction of that whole. Got this? Yeah, we will go through the examples and we will try to learn about the fractions in detail. Here, first you have to name the shapes. Here we can see different shapes. See here. Yes, we can see here 4 shapes. Yes, the first one, you know the names. This is a circle, isn't it? This is a square. This is rectangle. And this one is triangle. Isn't it? Okay. Now you have to observe this carefully. See here, one full roti is there. One whole roti is there. Okay. And mother have 2 children. One boy and one girl. And only one roti left. Then what she will do? She will cut this roti exactly in the middle. See this. And one piece she will give to her son and one piece she will give to her daughter. Isn't it? Yes. These two are exactly of same portion. That is called as half and half. This is roti, so we can say here this is half roti and this is half roti. Correct? We use this word in day-to-day life. Give me half. You are telling? You used to tell, na? Give me half of that chocolate. Half. Okay. Now observe this. Now this is a box. Rectangular box. Isn't it? We will cut this box in 2 parts. Exactly in the middle we will cut this. This is called as hole. Okay, means one piece. Now we will try to cut this in the middle. See here, I have made this in 2 pieces. Both these pieces are exactly alike. Correct? Now then these pieces are called as half part and this is also half part. Means they are the fraction of that whole box. Got this? Half part means they are exactly same. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? Now here, one whole. This is whole means complete one. Okay, one whole. Here you can see we will color this whole into 2 colors. See, this is blue color and this is orange color. Okay, now this blue colored is half part of this circle or hole and orange color is half of this circle. Here we use 2 colors to show half part and half part. Correct? Now this is a rectangular paper, green colored paper. Correct? Now here also we will color this paper in two parts, that is half of different color and half of another color. Okay, now first we will draw the line. This is exactly in the middle of this rectangular sheet. Now we will color the upper portion by blue. Means we can say that this paper has half blue color and half green color. Got this, children? Half means exactly cutting in the middle of that hole. You can say this is half fraction, half portion, or half part of that whole. Now see here, this is one whole star. Okay, means any shape, anything we can do into half. Okay, this has, see here, 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. Now how can we cut this exactly into half? Yes, here we can draw the line like this. Now this portion became half of this star and this side is half of this star. Got this? Okay, we will cut this star. This is, see here, we will cut this star exactly into half. See here, got this? See the shape? Both are same in shape and size, isn't it? Then we can call these two parts as halves. See this? Half, and this is also half. They can be called as halves of a fruit. Correct? If the portions are not exactly alike, then we cannot call them as half. Got this? Okay, here is one sum. See here, there are 6 eggs. Can you see here? 3 plus 3, there are 6 eggs. Okay, now what to do here? We have to make half of this. Now this is 1. I will take this second and I will take this third. Now here we divided this 6 into half. Correct? Because the half of 6 is 3. Right? If you have 6 chocolates, then when your mother says that give half of your chocolates to your sister, then how much you have to give? 3. You will give 3, isn't it? Yes, so here half of 6 is 3. There are 12 eggs. Give Rahul half of that. Yes, here we can see the 12 eggs. 3, then 6, 9 and 12. Correct? Now we have to give half of these, means 12, to Rahul. Okay, here we know that half of 12 is 6, isn't it? 6 twos are 12. Correct? So half of 12 is 6. So these 6 we will give it to Rahul. This is nothing but half of 12 and this is also half of 12. Same portion. Got this, children? See, this is a chocolate slab. And here how many rectangles we can see? We can see 8 parts. See here, this side 4 and this side 4. 8 parts we can see. What is the half of these 8 parts? Yes, you know that half of 8 is 4. Correct? Now, here we will separate these 4. Then we get half of these 8 parts. Right? I hope you understood each and everything because this is very, very simple. Here you can see the different shapes and only half portion is shown here. See here, half of this chocolate slab. Half of this, okay, rectangle is colored in pink. Half of the triangle is colored in green. And a half of pizza is only shown. This half your brother ate. Correct? And here also we can see only half portion is colored with yellow. These are called halves. The plural of half. If one is there, then we have to use as half. More than one, then we have to use as halves. Halves. Halves means more than two or two. Identify half part from the following. Here some pictures we can see. We have to identify which one is half. Means which picture shows the half portion. See here, each picture has one line. You have to observe these two parts are equal. These two parts are equal. Are they equal? Are they equal? Or are they equal here? Can you see the arrow mark here? Okay. Now see, this is not equal. This portion is smaller and this one is bigger. So this is not half. And what about this circle? Circle has also not having the half part because the line is towards right side. So these two parts are not exactly alike. In the triangle, we can see the line exactly in between. So we got here two halves or a half part it shows. Correct? Here also in the rectangle is exactly divided into two parts. So this also shows a half part. And what about this? Here also we can see the line towards upside. So the lower portion is larger than the upper portion, isn't it? So it is not a half. Got this, children? Half means the two parts from one whole, they are exactly alike. Okay? Color a half of each of the picture given below. See here, so many pictures are given. We will color half of this portion. First one, we will color with blue. See here, half portion. This is in your textbook. Please try to color them by using the color pencil. Please observe how we are coloring the half portion. Yes. And these pictures are exactly divided into two parts. Here we can see the four boxes. 4. The half of 4 is, you know, that is 2. So any two boxes we can color. Whichever you want, you can color. Only two boxes you have to color. Now dear children, I hope you understood about the half. Once again I am going to tell that half means the one whole thing when you cut into two equal parts, then it becomes half. Okay? See this. This is a circle. Please observe carefully. Yes. We have cut this circle into 4 parts. Correct? Total parts, they are 4 and they are exactly alike. All the 4 parts are exactly same in shape and size. Right? Now observe this roti. One full roti. Now there are 4 children. What mummy will do? Yes, there are 4 children. Your mother will cut this roti first into 2 parts, and then she will cut these 2 parts again into 2 more parts. Right? See here. 2 and 2 means she will cut this roti equally into 4 parts to distribute among 4 children. Yes, you know, when we cut into 2 equal parts, then we say that one as half. This is half and this is also half. And what about these 4? We can't call them as half, right? Because they are lesser than half. They have less portion, exactly half of half. Okay, we will go through one more example and then we will search for a name of this portion. Now see this, a wooden box. Now we will cut this. This is whole, you know, correct? We will cut this into 4 parts, exactly of same measurement. Can you see here? 4 boxes. Yes, we will separate them, then you can see them easily. Got this? Now see the first one, first box, second, third and fourth. Means what we did here? We cut this wooden box into 4 equal parts. See, this is called as a quarter part. Remember the word, when we cut one whole into 4 equal parts, then each part is called as a quarter part. See, this is quarter part, this is also a quarter part, this is also a quarter part, because they are same to same. Yes, now you know the word, that is quarter. Okay, when the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part is called as a quarter part. Now see this circle. Okay, we will cut this into 2 parts which are exactly same. Then we know these are called as half, half. That is halves. 2 halves. Right? Means one whole has 2 halves. Okay, now same circle we will cut into 2 more parts. See here, half we have cut into again 2 parts. Both the halves we have cut into 2 parts. Now we got 4 parts which are exactly same in shape and size. Then they are called as quarter. This is 1 quarter, this is 2nd quarter, this is 3rd quarter, this is 4th quarter. Means from one whole, how many quarters we get? We get 4 quarters. This is fixed. How? From one whole, we get 2 halves. That is fixed, isn't it? Like that only. From one whole, we get 4 quarters. Okay? See this. Can you tell me how much portion is colored here? Very good. Half portion is colored. Now see this picture. Very good. A quarter portion is colored. Now again we can see the eggs here. How many eggs? Yes, there are 12 eggs. Correct? We made half, half. Right? Because half of 12 is 6. Isn't it? Okay, now we will try to make a quarter part. See here, this is half. Yes. See, quarter means we have to divide the thing into 4 equal parts. Here 12 eggs are there, we know. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is nothing but quarter. Correct? 3 is a quarter of 12. Isn't it? See. Here this is a quarter, 1/4. This is second quarter. This is third quarter. And this is the fourth quarter. Means we can write here quarter of 12 is 3. Always remember, half means we have to make adha and quarter means we have to divide that one by 4. Okay, in 4 equal parts we have to divide it. See here, we can see 4 dots. 1 dot is in yellow color and 3 in red color. Yes, come on, tell me. Yellow color dots portion. How we will write? How we will say the fraction? Here, a quarter, isn't it? Only 1 out of 4, 1 is yellow colored. Means only a quarter is colored in yellow. Right? Got this, children? Now see here. How many are there? 4, 2 is 8, 4, 3 is 12. 12 dots are there. Among 12, only 3 dots are colored in yellow. Is this a quarter portion or half portion? Yes, very good. This is a quarter. You know that half means 6 must be colored in yellow. Right? See here, this is a donut. Come on, tell me how much portion is cut? Yes, again a quarter portion. Right? Here you can see 4 blocks. One is colored in red. That is nothing but a quarter. Right? Yes, here again donut. Is this a quarter portion or a half portion? Yes, very good. Only 2 parts means half portion. Again here you can see elongated rectangles. Out of 4 only 1 is colored. So this is a quarter. Here we can see a 1 whole apple. Right? You like this apple, isn't it? Okay, but your sister is there with you. Then what your mother will do? She will cut exactly into half. She will make 2 parts exactly alike. She will give 1 to your sister and 1 to you. Okay, now there are 4 children. Then what she will do? She will make 4 portions which are exactly alike. Each one is called as a quarter. Got this? Now dear children, your favorite one. There are chocolates. 10, 15, 20. There are 20 chocolates in all. Okay. Now one friend came, so you want to give him half of the 20 chocolates. How many chocolates you will give him? Yes, 5 and 5. That is 10 chocolates you will give, because you know half of 20 is nothing but 10. Right? Now 2 more friends came. Now you are 4 friends. Then what you will tell to your friend? Give him half of yours and I will give another friend half of mine. Then half of half. That is nothing but a quarter portion. How many chocolates you will give to your friend? Yes, 5. Isn't it? Very good. Means all the 4 friends, they got 5 chocolates. Right? Very good. Now here we can see 4 pictures. Come on. Yes, dear children, you have to tell me the colored portion shows half part or quarter part. Come on. First one, half part. Yes, there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of them, only 2 parts are colored. So it is a half. Yes, a quarter. Out of 4, only 1 part is colored. Correct? Now in this picture also, out of 4 parts, only 1 part is colored. That is a quarter. Yes, this girl is holding only 1 part. Out of 4 part, that is nothing but a quarter portion. Right? Color a quarter part of each of the pictures given below. Earlier we colored half part of the pictures given, isn't it? Now we will color quarter part of each picture. See, this is first one has 4 parts. Quarter part means only 1 part we have to color. Right? Here it has 8 parts. Then quarter part of 8. First you think about half part of 8. That is 4. Right? Upper portion you can do. 4. This is half. Half of half is quarter. So we have to color only 2 portions. Only 2 parts we have to color. See. Correct? This is nothing but the coloring of quarter part of this picture. Now here again 4 are there. We have to color a quarter part means only 1 part. Isn't it? Here also we can see 8 parts. We know here quarter means 2. So we will color only 2 parts. Any 2 parts because all these parts are exactly alike. Here also we can see 8 parts. We will color quarter part means we will color only 2 boxes. Any 2 boxes. Right? Now dear children, here you have to think. You have to first count and you have to color the quarter part. This is for you. Now here show half of this collection. See here some collection is given. You have to show half of this collection. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we know half of 10 is nothing but 5, isn't it? So we separated. Now this is half and this is half. Right? Now one more. Show quarter of this collection. Quarter, remember this? How many pictures are there? 4 plus 4 that is 8 plus 4 that is 12. Correct? 12 pictures are there or 12 triangles are there. The quarter of 12 is nothing but half of 12 is 6 and half of 6 is 3. So quarter of 12 is 3. Isn't it? See, we have separated 3 means quarter part of this whole. Right? Here, in each of the pictures below, lines have been drawn to divide the figure into 4 parts. Here you can see in each figure that is divided into 4 parts. If a figure is divided into equal parts, put a tick. Right mark we have to put if they are equal in size and shape. Mark under it, okay? And if not, put cross. Okay. First one. Here we can see a rectangular shape and this is divided into 4 parts and we can see that all 4 parts are equal. Correct? So we will tick mark. Right. See here, this is a circle. Here also it is divided into 4 parts, but they are not equal. Can you see here? They are not equal. So we will put cross. Here in this rectangle, here you can see a large part and small, small, very small. So this is also cross. Now next one is right, correct? Because all four parts are equal. And here in the triangle, again we can see more part and less parts, so cross. Here this figure is exactly divided into four parts, so we will put right mark. Yes, this circle, we know this is showing quarter parts, so right mark. Yes, this figure also is divided into four equal parts, so right mark. Correct? This is in your textbook. Please go through this and put the proper marks in the boxes. Okay? Observe this. See here. You know this circle is divided into two colors. How many total parts are there here? Two. Correct? Because it is colored into two different colors. Now here you can see one more circle with blue part and orange part. This blue colored part is 1, correct? And it has one orange color part, isn't it? Okay, we will try to write this in the fractional form. You know now, half part is orange colored and half part is blue color. If we take into consideration only the blue part, how to write in maths in the fraction form, we will go through. See here. Okay, this is blue color, orange color, total parts are 2, and blue, and here also you can see this is divided into 4 equal parts with different colors. Right? Now we will go through only the blue color. Okay? Here total parts are 4. Now dear children, see this first. Out of 2 parts, how many blue color parts are there? Only 1. So this is half part is colored in blue. So how we write half? That is 1 upon 2. Okay. And here total parts are 4. Isn't it? And how many blue part we can see here? This is only one blue part. This is a quarter. Correct? Out of 4 parts, one part is called as a quarter. Got this? This is half and this is, okay, quarter and half. See this? Okay, first one is half and second one is a quarter. How we write? 1 upon 2 for half and 1 upon 4 for quarter. Okay. See here, these are all the same fraction from different shapes and holes. Which fraction are they? Please go through. Yes, now tell me. Which fraction? Is it half or is it quarter? Yes, very good. This is 1 quarter. How we write? 1 upon 4. Or how to say 1/4. 1 upon 4 or 1/4. See, remember children, one whole has 2 halves and one whole has 4 quarters. Okay? Thank you dear children. I hope you understood about half and quarter clearly. Isn't it? Right? In the next part, we will go through the 3 quarters and some problem sums.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.